चर्च आणि पंचायत रेडी आहे डॅमेज करपाक तुमकां NOC दिला तुमकां
ना अजून ते
They are ready.
they are ready but it should come black and white, no. I had several meetings with fathers, with the panchayat people, with the shopkeepers there in my office. I've been there, even when there to sign, but they have to come out of that place, and all of them, there should be a tribal agreement that with the government, and I move it.
But building is the secondary thing, but at least at this moment you should vacate it. No?
Yeah, it has to be vacated.
It is a need of an
It's a need. I'll be taking strict action on that. I will coordinate with my village panchayat.
But how long it will take? By when you are going to demolish, take action on it?
No, for me to demolish first, we have to follow the procedures, no. So nothing can happen. That's why I say I'm going to seal it. I'm going to request the panchayat. Already notice is issued to them because there's a black and white report. So that building has to be brought down and a new building has to come up. Because see, I know the building has got a lot of sentimental value, and the people over the generations want the building to be constructed. Of course, I'm already planning for another site, another market complex, because today population increase, vehicles have increased, the church on one side, the parish on the other side. It becomes very difficult, but because of sentiment reason, I want to reconstruct the same complex so that the people who have been there for over the years, their request, and it's important that the stakeholders have to cooperate. Or Baba Kelo. And immediately next day, तो फला कामां कमी जाता सरकारान आमचो फायदो कितें आमी हांगा बसून MLA बसून ताजे बद्दल तुका सांगता I want to expose the gentleman, the social worker who is also a teacher. I have high respect, great regard for him. But somehow being a teacher, he cannot impart wrong knowledge and footing on and the people of my country are all literate and all educated. In fact, I've been following the method truth and nail. The problem is, I would appreciate if this person who has taken Andolan could catch the miscreants over the time. At least that people would have, recognized and would have appreciated. Not only this incident, on 3 other occasions, he tried to do the same thing. He'll call up the department. I'm calling from MLA's office, so person regarding shutdowns. Then he'll come on the social media, this, that, and then people call me. Now, Mr. Who is this gentleman? I said, it is possible. We have procedures in the government. Nothing can happen because here, what is happening?